Today we're at UPLA.
What is it?
Yeah. It's a place that we have fun and we have like trampolines and everything. Turn left. Let me see.
Oh man, oh.
What's up, Mame? Ready?
We're getting here.
Run bro. And you go down like that. Good job.
We're going up once again. This is tough for the legs. Why is there beanbags? Hi, Mason. Whoa.
What?
Do this.
So far, I like it, but I don't like it. I got that heights feeling in the back of your legs. That's just gross. Whenever you kind of look down. Eva and me were taking a break. We ate a big concern before this, probably a bad idea. Mason, look down! Oh, hello! Hey, don't jump on me! My legs are dead. Dead! It's fun. Not for me, but it's good. How cool. A million cool. UPLA. We was chilling UPLA. We should come chill UPLA.